Welcome to ModMount, where trading meets empowerment. Whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned trader, our platform is built for you. Today, we'll take you through a complete tutorial of ModMount and show you why it's the ultimate trading platform. At ModMount, we believe in our traders. We challenge every trader to reach their full potential by overcoming the dynamic challenges of the global market. Our mission? To empower you to trade boldly. Here's how we do it. ModMount offers customized accounts with a quick registration process to get you trading faster. Personalized trading support tailored to your needs. Instant market updates to stay ahead of price changes. High-speed access for timely market moves. One-click trading options to execute trades instantly. Educational materials to boost your trading skills. Demo accounts to practice and perfect your strategy before diving into live trading. You can trade across a wide range of markets. Cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, metals, Forex, commodities. And with trading accounts ranging from classic to VIP, you can choose what suits you best. Now, let's explore what you can do in the ModMount client area. It's your personal hub for seamless trading management. Here's what you'll find. Manage your trading accounts effortlessly. Make secure deposits and withdrawals with ease. Access detailed market analysis and real-time updates. Track your trading history and monitor performance. Get direct access to our customer support team for assistance anytime. At ModMount, we're here to support you every step of the way. Ready to take on the markets and achieve your trading goals? Join us today and unlock your full trading potential. Visit modmountltd.com to get started. Thanks for watching, and be sure consider to like and subscribe for more upcoming content. Enjoy your trading journey.